Which of the following function is not likely to be affected by vagus nerves? Options are option A tongue movement, option B peristaltic movement, option C pancreatic secretion, and option D heart rate. And the answer is option A, that is tongue movement. Flapping hand tremor is seen in which of the following conditions? Options are option A uremic syndrome, option B chronic renal failure, option C hepatic encephalopathy, and option D all of the above. And the answer is option D, that is all of the above, that is uremic syndrome, chronic renal failure, and hepatic encephalopathy. Muscular hypertonicity with increased resistance to stretch is called as options are option A atonicity, option B spasticity, option C jerking movement, option D reflexes. And the answer is option B, that is spasticity. Upper motor neuron lesions causes options are option A flaccid muscle paralysis, option B hyperactive reflexes, option C increased muscle tone, and option D loss of voluntary control. The answer is option D, that is loss of voluntary control. The nerve fibers which carry impulses from the receptor to the central nervous system is known as options are option A afferent, option B efferent, option C synapse, and option D nodes of Ranvier. And the answer is option A, that is afferent. Which of the following pharmacological management is inappropriate regarding medical management of a client with CVA? Options are option A osmotic diuretics are given to decrease cerebral edema. Option B aspirin used in the acute management of a completed stroke. Option C corticosteroids are given to decrease cerebral edema. Option D thrombolytics are most useful within 3 hours of an occlusive CVA. Answer is option B, that is aspirin used in the acute management of a completed stroke. Lower motor neuron lesion causes options are option A flaccid muscle paralysis, option B hyperactive and abnormal reflexes, option C increased muscle tone, and option D hypertrophy of muscle. And the answer is option A, that is flaccid muscle paralysis. A 42 years old male client is to undergo lumbar puncture. Which of the following is the least important information about lumbar puncture? Options are option A, it may be used to withdraw CSF for diagnostic purpose. Option B, specimen obtained to be labeled in their proper sequence. Option C, force fluid before and after the procedure. And option D, assess movement and sensation in the lower extremities after the procedure. Answer is option C, that is force fluid before and after the procedure. The most common type of brain neoplasm is options are option A acoustic neuroma, option B neuroma, option C glioma, option D angioma. And the answer is option C, that is glioma. Which of the following is not a neurotransmitter? Options are option A cortisol, option B acetylcholine, option C epinephrine, and option D neuroepinephrine. And the answer is option A, that is cortisol. A 35 years old male patient is brought into emergency room with a head injury following a road traffic accident. Patient is confused, drowsy and has an unequal pupil. Which of the following nursing diagnosis is given priority in this condition? Options are altered cognition, option B altered cerebral tissue perfusion, option C high risk for injury, and option D is altered sensory perception. Answer is option B, that is altered cerebral tissue perfusion. Which of the following symptom is commonly reported by patient immediately following cerebral aneurysm rupture? Options are explosive headache, photophobia, hemiparesis, seizure. The answer is option A, explosive headache. Which of the following medication are the safest to administer to adult needing assistance in falling asleep? Options are option A barbiturates, option B selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, option C minor tranquilizers, and option D is benzodiazepines. Answer is option D, that is benzodiazepines. Which of the following term is used to describe edema of optic nerve? Options are option A angioneurotic edema, option B papilledema, option C glaucoma, option D lymphedema. The answer is option B, that is papilledema. Parkinson's disease is caused by deficiency of which of the following neurotransmitters? Options are option A acetylcholine, option B dopamine, option C gamma aminobutyric acid, and option D serotonin. And the answer is option B, that is dopamine. Which of the following function is influenced by nervous system? Options are option A knee-jerk response, option B pupillary reflex, option C peristalsis of the intestine, and option D blinking of eye. And the answer is option C, that is peristalsis of the intestine. Degenerative neurological disorders include which of the following? Options are option A Huntington disease, option B glioma, option C Paget disease, option D osteomalacia, and the answer is option A, that is Huntington disease. Which of the following is a function of parasympathetic nervous system? Options are option A contraction of arrector pili, option B stimulation of sweat glands, option C acceleration of heart rate, and option D contraction of pupil. And the answer is option D, that is contraction of pupil. Later sign of increased intracranial pressure include which of the following? Options are option A narrow pulse pressure, option B increased blood pressure, option C decreased pulse rate, and option D projectile vomiting. Answer is option D, that is projectile vomiting. Sixth cranial nerve controls. Options are option A movement of the eyeball, option B taste perception, option C closure of epiglottis, option D movement of the tongue. And the answer is option A, that is movement of the eye. A nurse is monitoring an adult male patient 8 hours after a road traffic accident. Which of the following finding by a nurse suggests increasing intracranial pressure? Options are option A blood pressure is decreased from 150/90 to 110/70 mmHg. Option B patient is oriented when aroused from sleep and fall asleep immediately. Option C pulse is increased from 80 to 92 beats per minute. Option D the client refused dinner because of anorexia. The answer is Option B, that is, patient is oriented when aroused from sleep and fall asleep immediately.